The following information is provided for educational purposes only and in no way constitutes legal, tax, or financial advice. For legal, tax, or financial advice specific to your business needs, we encourage you to consult with a licensed attorney and/or CPA in your state. The following information is copyright protected. No part of this lesson may be redistributed, copied, modified, or adapted without prior written consent of the author. In this video, we will discuss the registered office and the registered agent. The registered office and the registered agent are required for your LLC formation documents. Once you figure out who your LLC's registered agent will be, you will then be able to complete your LLC formation documents, which we discuss in the next lesson. Again, your LLC is required to list a registered office and a registered agent within your LLC formation documents. The registered office is a physical address, it cannot be a P.O. box, that is located in the state where your LLC is formed. A registered agent is a person or a company who agrees to accept legal mail and important documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent is located at the registered office and is generally available during normal business hours. As we mentioned, a registered agent can be a person or a company who has an address in the state where your LLC is formed. You can serve as your LLC's registered agent. However, your LLC cannot serve as its own registered agent. For individuals who have an address in the state, it is most common that they serve as the LLC's registered agent. Having said that, the individual person you choose as the registered agent does not need to be a member of the LLC. It can be a friend or family member, or frankly, anyone you know who agrees to accept service of process on behalf of your LLC. Service of process is the delivery of legal mail and important documents sent from the state or a law firm to your LLC. Important documents from the state can include items such as certificates, notices, and copies of formation documents. Legal documents can include items such as subpoenas and/or complaints for legal action. The purpose of the registered agent and the registered office is to be a point of contact for the state and to accept service of process for your LLC. You or someone you know can be your LLC's registered agent so long as you or they have an address in the state. If you don't have an address in the state that you can use, or you don't want to serve as your LLC's registered agent, you should hire a commercial registered agent. A commercial registered agent will receive service of process on behalf of your LLC and then forward it to you at any address you'd like. Many commercial registered agents will also fax or email your service of process if you prefer. Again, a commercial registered agent is a company that specializes in receiving service of process on behalf of businesses nationwide. They typically charge between $100 and $300 per year. If you decide to use a commercial registered agent, we recommend a company called Northwest Registered Agent. They've been in the business for more than 2 decades and they have a solid reputation. Their fees are among the most affordable and their support is top-notch. We've joined forces with them in order to provide registered agent services nationwide to our clients. There's information below this video where you can find instructions on how to sign up for their services. If you or someone you know will serve as your LLC's registered agent, you can then proceed to the next lesson. If you need to hire a commercial registered agent, please see the information below this video regarding Northwest Registered Agent. Once you've signed up with Northwest Registered Agent, you will then receive their address to use in your LLC formation documents. If you have any questions about their services, you will also find their phone number listed below this video. Again, once you sign up for their services and obtain their address, you can then proceed to the next lesson. And that concludes this video.